Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a voiceover to a video in Canva totally for free. First, open Canva on your browser. We will need to create a video, so from this selection, let's choose video. We have different types of video dimensions here. I want to do a vertical one, so I'll click a mobile video. From here, we will need to choose the videos we need to use. But if you have your own videos to work on, then we'll need to upload them. To do that, click the upload option here on your left panel. You can actually upload images and audios too. But now we need to go to videos, then click upload files to upload the videos that you need. Give it some time to finish uploading, and it may take longer if your video is long. Now we're ready to add them to our blank Canva here. Just drag and drop, so my first video would be this one. I want it to look like this so that the whole video screen can be seen, but I want to add a background color. So let's go to this color icon here and click on it. There is a wide selection of colors you can choose from, but I want a gradient one, so I'll click this. I'll be adding another video. So to add a page, just click this huge plus sign, then just drag and drop the second video. For my second video, I wanted to fill the whole page, so I can right click on it and click Set Video Background. Now we will need to take notes before recording. You will have to watch your video multiple times until you get your notes straight so that it'll be smooth when you're ready to record. You can actually take notes inside Canva. Just right below the play button here, you should see the notes option. Click on that and it should open a window where you can jot down your notes. So I already have my notes here and we're ready to record our voice over. From the top right, you'll see the share button. Click on it and then click more option. Now look for present and record option. If you can't find it, you can just type it on the search bar here. Then click go to recording studio. From here, you can choose to turn on your camera and include that on your recording. But since I just need my voice, this should be no camera. Then also make sure to have the correct microphone set up here. Again, before recording, practice your script first so that you'll have one perfect audio recording later on. So now let's start recording. Tap Instagram to open. Slide to the right and choose Camera. On the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on the photo icon to open your gallery. Choose the photo or video you want to post to your story. You can add a text, format it, even add stickers, or leave it as it is. Once everything's good, just tap the Your Story button below to post. And that's it. Hope this helps and see you on the next video. Alright, so my recording should be in the Canva editor. All I have to do from here is click Save and Exit. From here, let's go to Uploads and click Audio. Our recording should be here. Now to add the recording, make sure we are at the very beginning of our video, so that should be 00 here. Then just click the audio recording to add. You can play and check if the audio corresponds to the action being done in the video, since this one is like a tutorial. If you need to cut the audio and move it somewhere in the video to match it, just right click on it and choose Split Audio. Now let me go ahead and fix this real quick. Now everything looks and sound good, but I want to make my second video shorter. To do that, I'll just have to know how much of it I should cut, and then I can drag this icon to cut the video as much as I need. Now we're ready to download our video with a voiceover from Canva. So we have to click the share icon again, then click download. Leave the file type as MP4 since this one's a video, then make sure all the pages are included. Then click download. And here's our final outcome. Tap Instagram to open. Slide to the right and choose Camera. On the bottom left corner of your screen, tap on the photo icon to open your gallery. Choose the photo or video you want to post to your story. You can add a text, format it, even add stickers, or leave it as it is. Once everything's good, just tap the Your Story button below to post. And that's it. Hope this helps and see you on the next video. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.